Somalia is hoping to join world oil-rich countries. This is after authorities plan to revive the hydrocarbon sector. It recently received data collected on its offshore waters. The 2D offshore seismic data was collected by Soma Oil and Gas Company.
We have spent $41 million on a survey of the offshore waters of Somalia. 120,000 square kilometers have been surveyed. We've spent more than double what we promised to spend in the original agreement. We have collected and digitized the original historic data on oil and gas resources in Somalia.
Somalia is now welcoming investors to invest in its oil and gas industry. It has also created a data room meant to store the data and enable Somalia and its partners market the data to potential investors. Somali Prime Minister said that the data being handed over here is historic and that his country will now start making use of its natural oil and gas reserves.
Foreign aid is a short-term solution and never enough to develop any nation. The only way to achieve development is if we invest in our natural resources. If at all the data being handed over here today is true, then Somalia will join the ranks of the world oil exporting countries.
Mogadishu recently commissioned its first petroleum storage facility, a first since the collapse of the central government in 1991. The storage, considered to be one of the largest investments, consists of 7 tanks meant to provide a stable petroleum supply in Somalia. Rebuilding Somalia might be a far-fetched dream, but authorities here are optimistic that by reviving key industries such as the gas and oil industry might just be the answer. It also hopes that it will address the unemployment rate in the country by generating new job opportunities for the country's youthful population. Abdulaziz Bilo, CCTV, Mogadishu, Somalia.